is my programming hero and why? So this would be somebody who's not well known in open source necessarily. When I started in my career, I was 19, no formal college education. I got hired at a design firm right around the dot-com boom. And on my first day on the job, we were doing a pretty major contract for a big restaurant chain. And they brought in a contractor, and his name is Tom Mortel. And Tom Mortel, on the first day on the job, scared the life out of me because he was so fast and so brilliant at coding. We were doing some gnarly stuff with XML and producing books both on the web and in print. And he scared me, but I kept talking to him, and we've developed a really good friendship over the last 15 years. And now he works at Google. He's done a lot of work with Haskell. He's done some crazy things with Erlang, and he's probably the smartest programmer I've ever worked with. And I had either the fortune or misfortune of working with him on my very first day in my career as a programmer. And without a doubt, the smartest programmer I've ever worked with. That's a tough one. I think that my advice to my younger self would be to try more programming languages earlier. I started my career and did my first 10 years in Perl. The Perl community is fantastic. I love the Perl community. CPAN is awesome, but you really can't expect one language to solve every problem. And as soon as I decided to embrace that in my career, it really blossomed. And I would say, learn more languages sooner. Most recently, within the last 8 years of my career, I would have to say that the project that had the biggest impact would be jQuery. Doing web application development was very painful prior to jQuery, and I did some crazy stuff around 2005 with WYSIWYG editors and that sort of thing. And I didn't have jQuery to fall back on, but as soon as I started to be able to use that when it really became mainstream and became powerful, I think it's revolutionized a lot of web development. It was certainly a forebearer to a lot of the things people are doing now. And I think that it had one of the greatest impacts on me because of how much I could accomplish with a relatively low amount of effort. Most exciting thing in software. So we're at GopherCon, and I think that the era of new systems programming and the languages around that, Rust and Go being two big ones, are some of the most exciting things. And I really think that we're getting back to an era of simplicity that can breed further creativity. I'm really excited by that. I think that it's going to lead to some really interesting technology and probably some major breakthroughs in big systems in the next few years. If there was anything else that I could do, I would run a combination coffee shop, pub, and a classic cocktail bar. I really dig beverages. I'm kind of really into it. And if I could do anything else at all, then I would be making drinks for people and making them comfortable in my, living room away from a living room.
Monkey style.
Monkey style.
Well played. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Excellent. Step on over to our t-shirt booth.
Right.
You are off the hot seat.
Thanks. That was fun.
That was a really great job.